I'm going to start with Boeing. Almost 2 years after that fatal Lion Air crash involving the MAX jet, they're set to begin recertification testing. Susan, come in, please. I think it starts today, doesn't it? Test flight today?
That's right. So it's a 3-day test flight that should start later on today. And this has been approved by the FAA. And they say that they want to test the internal flight control systems, the MCAS, to see if it can actually, I guess, roll over in these difficult maneuvers. Now, don't forget, the MCAS has been blamed for the deadly crashes that were in Indonesia and also Ethiopia, and that has grounded the plane for more than a year. And also, by the way, the reason why the stock is down over 40% on the year so far. Now, if this actually is successful, this MCAS system test, they will then take the data, analyze it, and they might even consider maybe approving it by September. But even then, the earliest case scenario is that these flights, the U.S. service, will resume by the end of this year. However, we've seen a lot of lags and delays in this process for over the past year. So some people say that that might be a little too optimistic. But still, this is good news for Boeing's best-selling 737 MAX, which has been grounded for more than 12 months.
Yeah, I mean, it's back in the air, and the stock is up $9. And that account, Boeing is a Dow stock, and that accounts for about half the Dow's gain of 120 odd points. So the Boeing have an impact on the Dow.